Remember, Edgar, not directly.
Not directly.
Do it at the other stuff. The other stuff, go!
Yeah, this is homemade fireworks part 2. The first time was a failure because of that idiot Dean Aiello's bread idea. So this one should actually be pretty good. Stay tuned.
I like how you sound when you're on the camera. You okay? Go, Edgar, get the fuck out. Blow up, you piece of shit.
The plane's gonna be right there.
Oh, fuck you, Dean. It was too solid.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it was too solid.
No, it's not. Edgar, no! Edgar, no!
Kaboom! It's gonna go back in the bottle.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Edgar, get out of there! Get out of there!
See? Fucker, it didn't blow up.
It's gonna blow up.
No, it's not. Oh shit! That was a nice firecracker. Do it again.
There's still more! There's still more! Edgar, get out of there! Get out of there!
Do it again.